So Ryze, not DJI, wanted to create the most fun drone ever made. Did they succeed? The Tello. What's up everyone, I'm the Everyday Dad. If I can figure it out, you can figure it out. At CES 2018, DJI announced that they would partner with a company called Ryze to bring a small, portable, budget-friendly drone to market. You can fly it with either your cell phone, you can program it, or you can get a Bluetooth controller to fly it. And it's just there to be all around awesome. Now that we've got one in our hands, the first thing we've got to do is we've got to unbox it. So first up, let's talk the camera. The Tello can take 5 megapixel photos. It has an 82.6 degree field of view. It can also capture video in 720p at 30 frames per second. It does have electronic image stabilization built into it. It can fly out to 100 meters. It can fly up to 10 meters, and it gets roughly a 13-minute flight time. In reality, this will be more like 10 or 11 minutes. Basically, what all the specs boil down to is that this is incredibly tiny. It has an incredibly long-lasting battery for such a small drone. But let's go head outside and take it on its very first flight. Ooh, okay, now we're outside to fly the brand new Tello. You'll notice we're just in the backyard because it's supposed to rain and we gotta get going if we want to get the flight in today. So let's set it up, let's go. So to turn it on, you just press this little button. You'll notice you get the little light popped up on the front. Can you see that? Can you see that? And then you connect it to Wi-Fi and the app. Tello. Hello, Tello. It's a Motorola joke. All right, let's take off and go. Man, that little guy is quiet. Okay, go down. Don't exactly know what caused that. Okay, attempt number 2. Good news, if you do wreck it because you fly into your house and then a pillar and then your camera, it will still work. That's good news for me. Okay, there we go. Okay, so something I'm noticing right off the bat, the downward sensor freaks out whenever it's around something. So that's what I think happened is it flew in here, the downward sensor picked up like the camera, tried escaping, ran into my ceiling here. So just be careful with the downward sensor. But let's see what kind of cool stuff this thing can do. It does flips. That is pretty darn neat. It flies really well. I've never been a big, I know a lot of people get angry when you gotta control a drone with a cell phone. I've never really had a problem with it. Hey, that's the stabilization looks pretty good. Okay, what else we got? We got flips, up and out. Looks like we got a, let's try this one. So it does like a 360 little camera. I thought that was gonna be like a circle where it orbits. This is just like a 360 picture. That's kind of cool. Don't mind the messy yard. Alright, this thing is just darn cool. What other modes we got? What's bounce mode? Okay, I don't really know what I'd use that for, but that's pretty cool. Okay, so far I'm incredibly impressed by this little thing. It was 99 bucks and it flies so smoothly, super quiet. I'm excited to check out and see how the footage looks when we get back inside, but let's try this throw and go. It definitely pinched me there. Let's try that again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, that's pretty cool. Ooh, let's do fast mode. It's not crazy fast. We'll have to try it out with a controller at some point, but that thing does not have GPS. It's all just so stable. I'm not touching anything right now. Look at how stable that is. That is crazy. All right, now what I'm most excited about is to see what the footage looks like once we get back inside. So let's head back inside, check it out. Woo. And we're back. Now that it started raining, we are back inside. So what are my thoughts about the Ryze, not DJI, I find myself saying that all the time. What are my thoughts about the Ryze Tello? Well, I'm actually quite impressed with this little drone. No, it doesn't have a gimbal. No, it doesn't. It's not an actual like camera drone, but it is just a lot of fun to fly. It pairs really easily with your cell phone. It's really easy to use your cell phone to control it. I know most people don't like using their cell phones to control their drones. I've never really had a big issue with it. I used to use my Spark with a cell phone all the time. So I really like this Tello. If you're just trying to find a drone that you can have fun with and fly around, this is a really good one. It has a lot of cool stunts built into it. You can get, the stabilization is actually really good. Their electronic stabilization is fantastic when it comes to a drone, because drones, when they're flying, they get the, you know, the little jitters from the props going, and you can't see a lot of that in the video. It's got some quick shots, it's got some neat little modes. It's built pretty tough. I've wrecked this twice today so far. So what, right? So should you get a Ryze Tello? Well, if you're looking for just a fun drone to fly around your house or do some light flying outside when it's not too windy, I would say, yeah, get the Ryze Tello. It's like 99 bucks. It's a whole lot of fun. It's super quiet. It's so stable in the house. I've flown toy quadcopters before, and generally they're some of the most frustrating and hard to control drones. But this thing flies like a breeze in the house. It will stay very steady. We saw that on the live stream this week. You don't even have to control it. These downward sensors are fantastic. So I would absolutely recommend the Ryze Tello. I'm so excited to start digging into this more after this impressions video, and yeah, we'll talk about this more. If you have any questions about the Tello, leave them in the comments below, and I'll answer them in upcoming videos. What we're gonna do on Wednesdays, we're gonna do a live stream where we try to learn how to program the Tello. Pretty excited about it. Well, hey everybody, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Also, click that subscribe button down below. We do Reviewing the Cheapest every Monday at 6 p.m. Eastern. Well, hey, I'm the Everyday Dad, and if I can figure out that you can have a whole blast of fun with just such a tiny little drone that doesn't look like it should do as well as it does, you can figure it out. Thanks for watching.